Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing one of the hottest topics on the internet, how to make money with dropshipping. Dropshipping is one of the most popular and low-cost ways to start an e-commerce business. In this video, we will show you how to start a dropshipping business, find winning products, create a Shopify store, and market your products on TikTok. Dropshipping consists of selling products you don't have. When someone buys it on your store, you buy it cheaper on another platform and directly send it to your customers. Step 1. Find profitable products on AliExpress. The first step in starting a successful dropshipping business is to find winning products on AliExpress. Winning products are products that are in high demand, have low competition, and a high profit margin. You can use tools like Ali Inspector, Dropship Spy, and Niche Scraper to find winning products. Once you find your winning product, you can use Oberlo to import the product to your Shopify store. Step 2. Create a Shopify store. Now that you have found your winning product, the next step is to create a Shopify store. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows you to create an online store in a few minutes. Shopify offers a variety of templates and customization options to help you create a unique and professional-looking online store. You can add your winning product to your store, set your price, and start selling. Step 3. Marketing your product on TikTok. The final step is to market your product on TikTok. TikTok is a popular social media platform with millions of users. TikTok offers a great opportunity for dropshippers to market their products to a large audience. You can create short videos showcasing your product, add relevant hashtags, and share it with your followers. You can also collaborate with TikTok influencers to promote your products to a larger audience. Let's say you found a winning product, a facial roller that helps reduce wrinkles and acne. It costs $10 on AliExpress. You import the product to your Shopify store and set the price at $29.99. You then create a short video showcasing the facial roller and post it on TikTok. You add relevant hashtags and share it with your followers. You can also collaborate with a TikTok influencer who has a large following in the beauty niche to promote your product. In conclusion, dropshipping is a low-cost and easy way to start an e-commerce business. Find profitable products on AliExpress, create a Shopify store, and market your products on TikTok. With dropshipping, you can sell products without keeping inventory, making it a great option for those who want to start an online business.